Assalamu alaikum. Today we will read about Cauchy root test if summation an is positive term series such that limit an whole power 1 over n is equal to L, where L is non-negative real number or infinity. Then series is convergent if L is less than 1. Divergent if L is greater than 1 or infinity, and test fail if L is equal to 1. If you have any positive term summation an and this series such that for this series n term summation an and power of an power whole power 1 over n and limit n approaches to infinity, we get result L, where L is non-negative real number or infinity. If this L is less than 1, then series convergent. If this L is greater than 1 or infinity, series divergent. And if this L is equal to 1, then series fail. For example, we choose two series. Let's suppose summation 1 over n and summation 1 over n square. In this series, the power of n is 1 and this series is divergent. And this series is convergent. Why are we saying by the limit comparison test, if the power of this n is equal to or less than 1, series divergent. But power of n is greater than 1, the series is convergent. If you apply limit n approaches to infinity on 1 over n whole power 1 over n is equal to 1, result is 1, and the second series limit n approaches to 1 over n square whole power 1 over n, then the result is 1. We are getting 1 on both series, but the first is divergent and the second is convergent. So here test fail at L is equal to 1. If we are getting L is equal to 1, the series can be divergent or can be convergent. So this test is only for L is equal to, L is less than 1 or L is greater than 1. Test fail. Let's take an example. Summation 1 to infinity 1 over n power n. Our an is equal to 1 over n power n. N whole power 1 over n is equal to limit n approaches to infinity 1 over n power n whole power 1 over n. So limit n approaches to infinity 1 over n over n cancel, then limit n approaches to infinity 1 over n, applying limit then we get 1 over infinity, which means 0, which is less than 1. Hence series convergent. Let's take another example. 1 to infinity n over 10 whole power n. an is equal to 1 n over 10 whole power n. Limit n approaches to infinity, an whole power 1 over n is equal to limit n approaches to infinity, n over 10 n and whole power 1 over n. So this n and this one is cancelled. N over 10, applying limit, we get infinity, which means our series is divergent. Hence, series divergent. Allah Hafiz.